Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Wi-Fi so you can act immediately. Once there, make sure you are connected to the network whose QR code you want. Tap the network name or the gear icon to reveal details. This is where Color OS exposes sharing options. You need to reach the network details screen before anything else. If a lock or fingerprint prompt appears, be ready to authenticate. That confirms it's your phone and allows the system to generate. Once you're in the network details, find the Share or QR button. It's usually labeled Share or shows a QR icon. Tap it. The phone will ask for your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to protect credentials, so authenticate to continue. After authentication, the system instantly generates the Wi-Fi QR code showing SSID and password. Make sure to tap the QR to enlarge, then use the Save or Screenshot option to keep a copy. This built-in method is secure and avoids sharing plain. Now scan the QR code with the other phone's camera or a QR scanner app. Most modern phones auto-detect and offer connect to Wi-Fi, so accept the prompt. You can also save the QR image to your gallery or send it via chat for later. If you don't see a Share or QR option in network details, make sure Color OS is updated, check permissions for Settings app, or create a temporary hotspot and share its QR as a workaround. That solves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.